5 facts about Myrtle Park in Bingley. Fact 1. The park covers around 27.5 acres and was purchased by Bingley Urban District Council in 1908 for just £7,000, specifically to create a public park. It officially opened to the public the following year in 1909. Fact 2. The site was originally an old farmstead known as Springhead, complete with a house, a working farm, and even an old Quaker meeting house. Before we move on to next fact, please hit the like button. Fact 3. In 1767, Dr. Johnson Atkinson Busfield bought the estate, demolished the existing buildings, and commissioned the elegant Georgian-style mansion Myrtle Grove, which was completed around 1770. The Grade II listed building later became Bingley Town Hall in 1926 and served as the headquarters of Bingley Urban District Council right up until 1974. Fact 4. Beside the historic Pavilion, you'll find the Menagerie Aviary, home to exotic cockatiel birds and rabbits that visitors love to watch. Fact 5. Tarquin's tea rooms, housed inside the beautiful 100-year-old pavilion, serve fresh food, drinks and ice cream and are open daily throughout the summer. If you visited Myrtle Park, please comment below with your favourite stories about the park, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.